If you're looking for vacation rental property management, we make it very easy for our owners to get started with us. Whether you're looking to change management companies or this is a new investment, we handle every aspect from start to finish. Our 5-star management program includes global marketing, an in-house reservations team that's available 7 days a week, dedicated housekeeping, we can handle all maintenance needs, and complimentary accounting, which includes filing and paying GE and TA taxes.
When it comes to marketing your property, we take professional photos and we have software that integrates with over 300 online booking platforms to maximize our exposure.
As we continue to grow, we are very proud of our long-lasting relationships that lead to high owner retention and repeat guests.
We are passionate about what we do, and we look forward to taking care of your island investment.